Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are good. God bless you friend and always be happy. So friend, in this video I am providing you very decent and very classy ideas for braid waterfall hairstyle. These designs are so stunning and so unique. So friend, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. And friend, share the video with your friends and family. I hope you they all are good. I really hope that they all use these hairstyles, and when using these braid waterfall hairstyle, their hairstyle looks so outclass and so trendy. I hope my all friends love these ideas. You know, guys, different people have different choices and they love different color, they love different style, they love different designs for braid waterfall hairstyle. You can design your own braid waterfall hairstyle with using these ideas. I hope you all love these ideas and use these ideas. When using these braid waterfall hairstyles, you look so gorgeous and so trendy. And friend, if someone want to buy hair extensions, so visit my website vpatrons.com. Link is available in description box. Click and visit my website. Allah, the video are amazing for you my all friend. Thank you friend for watching this video. I hope my all friend love these ideas and use these ideas. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass ideas related to braid waterfall hairstyles, it's an amazing collection for them. If you all love these articles and friend, if you want more braid waterfall hairstyle designs ideas, so viewers like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And viewers, don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me friend and remember me in your prayers. See you soon friend. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz my all friend.